And yeah, this is what I kind of want to talk about. It's law of attractions. It's essentially something that you have to believe in full on to a point where you can feel it. Let's say, for example, you can close your eyes and believe yourself you're driving a Ferrari. And if I do that, I am opening up my world to allowing that driving a Ferrari could happen in my life. Instead, a lot of people will be like, driving a Ferrari, oh man, that's a $300,000 car. I don't think I can ever afford that. That kind of mindset is going to close off your opportunities and it close off your actions. And this is what I want to say. You got to believe, just like that song that Drake sang. It was like, truck to the plane to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, you know? Envision yourself in that position and believe and move forward. Do things every day. What's hard about it is you're gonna be doing this action every single day, giving 110%, 100% of what you're capable of, but you wouldn't see much growth, and that will be the entire grind. But I seen a chart, so this chart kind of looked like this. I'll put it right here. But you start off like this, slowly. You're grinding 110% every day, nothing happens. But at some point in time, it's gonna have an incline. And when this incline hits, the momentum shifts up and it goes directly up like this. But on most career job that you do on 9 to 5 job, yes, you do get promotion, blah, blah, blah. But guess what? You started off like this. You're getting better every year, promotion, increase in salary by a couple cents. Of course, this chart goes like this and you hit the climax right here. But if you decided you want to do something greater than that, it can be owning your own business. It can be starting a YouTube channel. It can be anything other than working for somebody else.